Asha Blessing.
Where the sureties for Mr. Musana? At least give me 2 sureties. Let me have a look at your national identity cards and the LOC letters introducing you and introducing the applicant as per the bail guidelines. Mr. Musana, don't you think they are not traded?
They are right.
Huh? You don't have an identity card? What? So one of them is not traded? Mr. Musana, you have seen that?
Yes, I've seen that. I had another person that's not traded.
So can we conclude, Mr. Musana, that you don't have sureties in this court today?
I have sureties, but they didn't carry the IDs. I'm so sorry.
So they are not ready to stand for you today?
They are ready.
Which you did? So you don't have sureties?
I have sureties.
They are not there, Mr. Musana. Are they there?
I would like to look for your forgiveness as I have psychological problems. I'm really disturbed, especially psychologically. I have not settled down and I've been having so many, I would call them spiritual positions that have made me act in a way that is not right. But I am a very respectable young man and I promise.
That's not part of the, you're not writing that.
I'm not writing, I'm just when he has no sure that the sureties have not come with identification.
I promise to delete all the publications I made and to ask for forgiveness. I'm not a violent young man, neither do I have evil intentions towards the current government or the presiding government. I respect each and everybody in their authority, and I promise to delete all the publications and stop with immediate effect. If caught again publishing such content on social media, I would plead guilty. But I didn't have any knowledge of me promoting a crime, and I don't have any hate speech, rather than I was trying to put out the things that I saw as unfair in society. I'm sorry if they came out not right, but I'm not a harmful person and I don't have any counts of violence, neither do I have counts of hate speech.
Mr. Musana, since your sureties have no identifications, they are deemed not to be present in this court. So you are remanded until the 7th of March 2024, when you will reappear in this court for mention of your case. Court is adjourned. Just a minute.
Please, this court.
Just a minute. proceed.
May it please this court, Your Worship. Keko John, Chief State Attorney. I'm appearing together with Richard Birikumbuka, Chief State Attorney. We are both from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. There is counsel on watching brief, Mr. Nahabwe Precious from Elgon Advocates. Is also in court.
Nahabwe Precious, Your Worship.
He's on watching brief, Your Worship,
For who?
for the complainants.
There are many complainants. Which one, particularly?
Jennifer Nakambo.
Your Worship, the accused person is before you for plea. I have not seen or been approached by any lawyer representing.
Any counsel in
the accused.
this matter for the accused person?
Your Worship, we pray that his plea is taken.
What do you understand?
I speak both English and Lugandese.
Yes, okay, then let me read for him in
Language
English.
prefers is mentioned clearly.
So you understand English and Uganda properly?
Yes.
So which one would you prefer today?
I would prefer to use English.
Please proceed.
Osama Ibrahim Alias, pressure 24/7, married at age 27 years, Uganda by tribe, businessman, resident at Kauga village, Mukono Upper, Mukono municipality, Mukono district. Count 1 is hate speech, particulars. Osama Ibrahim Alias, pressure
I pray
24/7.
that the section of the law is read and clear.
I think let me read the charges
Much
myself.
obliged, Your
Let me read the charges myself. Mr. Musana Ibrahim, you also called pressure 24/7. You're a male adult, you are 27 years. You're Muganda by tribe, you're a businessman, you reside in Kauga village in Mukono Upper, Mukono municipality, in Mukono district. You stand charged with 8 counts. Count number 1 is hate speech, contrary to section 24A1A, C and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. The particulars of the offense are that you, Musana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean and promote hostility against a person, to wit, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood?